Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today we are going to talk about the much anticipated, at least for some of you and for me, Nuface Fix. This is what it looks like, the Nuface Fix, and it has the little roller balls at the end. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and my first impression using it one time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Before we get started, let me just apologize for the lighting. I do have it kind of dim because I am doing a makeover on a spare bedroom. It's going to be my film studio, and so I've done little sneak peeks on Instagram. If you're not following me there, just go down in the description box and follow me. So bear with me for the next few videos, but in the next couple weeks I'm redoing this room, so I'm very excited. So let's jump in and talk about Nuface Fix. Are you guys excited about this one? I'm excited about this one. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. I try and upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. I had to think for a minute. All right, so let's talk about the Nuface. I'm going to just go ahead and jump in to the video of my unboxing it. I'll probably just split screen and show you. So I unboxed it, and what it comes with is the device itself. It comes with a cap, and then it comes with a USB cord. It does not come with the little adapter, so you have to have one of those handy. And then directions, and then the Nuface Fix, which is the serum that you use. So, all right, let's talk about the device itself. Some of the features. It's really a simple device. It has one on-off switch, and it has one speed, not unlike the Nuface where you can up the intensity. This has one speed, if you will. It comes with a little cap that's magnetic, it comes with the USB port. You will need the little adapter attachment. Comes with the serum, and then of course instructions. The other features of this that I like is very lightweight. So you can sit here and just go and go and go and go, and it's not a heavy machine. The other thing that I like is that it's supposedly you're able to use 43-minute sessions per charge. So each section is 3 minutes, so your machine will turn on and 3 minutes later it will turn off, so you know you're done with that particular section. I'm going to be concentrating on nasolabial folds. I have a line that comes down here. I'm going to give that a try. Upper lip, and then under the eyes. Those are where I am going to concentrate this device. What I'm going to do, so let's jump into some video so you can see how I used it for the first time. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes since I did the Nuface Fix, and you can see I still have some reddening. I did just do my eyeshadow while I was doing nothing. The only thing, let me just say, the only thing I have on my skin is I did put my Go Pure Vitamin C serum as well as the Go Pure Hyaluronic Acid. Did put the Colleen Rothschild number 9 oil on my face today. It's feeling a little dry, nothing to do with the Fix. So that's all I have on my face of my serums. Now you can still see that I did the lips last. So I did the nasolabial folds. I did right, then left. I did this line that I have that comes down and goes under my chin. So I did that line. I did my lips, and then I did my eyes. Now I have nothing under my eyes. I haven't put, you know, I have no foundation, concealer, or anything like that on. So I just wanted to show you that's where we're at. So you know it's working because I'm a little red. So I'll be back. I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and I'll give you my final thoughts. Does it work? I don't know yet. First impressions, I will say that what's happening is you're getting that plumping feeling. So I think that, you know, even using it one time, there's a difference in the plumpness. So the lines aren't as deep or recessed, at least on the nasolabials. And that's what I noticed. I noticed it doesn't bother me to go across the eyes, where with the L attachment it did. This glides on much easier. So I do have fine lines here, and then of course the tear trough is that. I doubt this will help it, but what the heck, we'll give it a try. And then the tiny little crow's feet, I don't have a whole lot of them, but I used it there as well. So I'm very optimistic. As much as I dislike the L attachment for the Trinity, I like this. First impression, it doesn't leave any indentations. Of course, there is reddening. That's just showing that it works, and it goes away, you know, in a relatively quick amount of time. I like that it's lightweight. I like that it is portable. You can throw it in, you know, your bag for vacation. It's an easy way. I like that. I like the roller balls themselves. They're smooth. I like that you can go any direction you want to try and erase the lines. The serum, I do not think it's going to last 30 days. I don't know if this is just, if it's supposed to, or if this is just a sample. I'll have to look and do a little more research. This is sort of just a first impression unboxing. And I'm gonna, when I come back in 2 weeks, I'll let you know what the ingredients are in here, or whether you could use, you know, something else. So certainly think that there's potential here. So I'm kind of really excited about it. So I will see you back in 2 weeks for a follow-up with the Nuface Fix. And I hope you enjoyed watching the video as always. And I hope you guys have a really great week. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys.